about yourself, something about your academics, your experiences, your achievements?
Okay. So basically, at the moment, I'm pursuing my BA Economics and Public Policy at Jain University. I'm a second year student. Otherwise, when it's related to my interests, I'm mostly interested in economics and finance, like an intersection of both economics and finance. I'm also discovering public policy as it is a part of my course curriculum. Apart from that, as such, when I say achievements, I feel like I have achieved quite a bit of it. Like, let's say I won this one case com from EY, that is
Okay.
so I won EY
Nice.
Power BI last year.
Mhm.
And I think since then, I've been doing quite a few internships. I've did internships at EY, Frost and Sullivan, and then now I'm doing a lot of research internships. And I've worked with startups. I've worked with corporates as well. So I have like a good mix of experience when it comes to the entire realm.
Okay, fantastic. So, which university you got the internship opportunity through internship? Which
Okay.
university?
So basically, I got the offer from Bank of Russia. I did get a few other universities as well, but then as such, the one that is confirmed right now is Bank of Russia.
Okay, and what was the topic? Like topic are you researching about?
Okay, so basically, my work is revolved around data collection and specifically related to non-linear Phillips curve. So it is, let's say, around economics and monetary policy because you're dealing with a bank.
Okay. And how helpful was internship in securing this internship for you?
Okay, I think when it comes to, I feel like it was very important for me to send mails to all of these professors. Most of them, I didn't even know them, right?
Okay.
And it was very important that I send them customized emails, especially because a lot of them replied to me based on the work experience that they have written, and I went through their work and everything.
Right.
They mostly replied on that basis. So I feel like internship was very helpful because the database, I mean, howsoever, the amount of emails that were sent, everything was just very helpful. And somehow, the numbers were quite large at which the emails were sent, right? So when it comes down, there's like a few good offers that I had at the end of the day.
Okay. So basically, internship made this process easy for you, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And how did you get to know about internship?
I think it was a lot of LinkedIn marketing. I didn't know it through any other platform. It was LinkedIn marketing. Just one random day, I was looking at research internships, and then it just popped up.
Any feedback you have for internship team?
Any feedback?
Yeah.
I don't think I specifically have any feedback.
Okay.
Yeah, I really don't think
in positive way. Anything?
I mean, yeah. I think the experience overall has been it's been amazing so far. And yes, I very much appreciate how much Shweta has helped me send the emails and with all the follow-ups as well. I very much appreciate the entire work done. So I don't specifically have anything to add on to that.
Okay. Thank you, Pasna. Thank you so much for positive feedback and your time. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a great career ahead. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.